I was just taking some photos of our latest collection here, and I thought maybe I'd try to make a short video to go with it as well. And so you can tell by looking at this that we're talking about specialty findings and components. And this is just a little spattering of the silver and then a little bit of the gold and some of the copper. And this is not all of it by any means. There's more. So there are duplicates and lots of bags and things of more of this. Like I said, I just wanted to give everyone kind of an idea of what will be out next. So even though it's a little dark and dreary, like typical, there's just some beautiful collections here. So here's some of the gold, and in the gold there's many different types of gold, of course. There is some gold-filled components and pieces here. Then there is vermeil, which is sterling with an 18 karat over here. This is vermeil. This one's vermeil. This is vermeil. That's vermeil. And then there's a high polished bronze pieces. So these large, beautiful designer pieces that are beautiful, pure bronze, that they polish it. The technique is so beautiful that they polish it so it turns out almost light and gold color, and then it stays that. Look at that one, it's so pretty. And so these are all those kind of components. This beauty is made by my husband with the little rubies in there. Mark made that. And this is a rhodium with a gold plate over it, Italian made with the pave CZs and a little veil there to go with it. And there's just a little stone clasps, these little iolite and peridot. Look at that beautiful one, the little vintage looking one. So many beautiful pieces here. And then we move over to the silver. It's kind of the same idea. Most of this is sterling, but some is a pewter. And let's see, so like these large, beautiful pieces, I love this collection. This dragonfly and like this fish, this was a collaboration between Bob Burkett and Green Girl, where it's a pewter. This is another part of it here. So they get those beautiful designs that Bob Burkett used to make in sterling. And Green Girl, is the name of the company, would cast these for him in this beautiful pewter color. And so again, allows you to buy these gorgeous clasps that like this would have been several $100s. And instead, however much they are now. And then there's a lot of beautiful sterling with marcasite. Here, look at these gorgeous ones. And this is so pretty with the little end cap toggle. And then of course there's tons of these beautiful box clasp stones, pearls there. And this is another one of the rhodium, silver plate, lobster claws with the pave set CZs. And this magnet clasp is also part of that line. Look at those, so beautiful. Right, we carry high quality magnet clasps, and they're just made a little differently is all. Like these are the ones, are crystal ones. They're made in Korea. They're very well made, where the stone is set in, and there's a divot where it's kind of glued in. But these are individual little set crystal, right? So beautiful. And that's another lovely little CZ stone. This one has a pearl on it. There's another magnet with the safety. And these big, beautiful sterling bales with the mother of pearl. Look at her. These big, beautiful sterling beads and caps. This is a pendant, right? So this box clasp. So many gorgeous pieces. And again, this is the tip of the iceberg. I just pulled out some really pretty ones. And then in the copper, there's a lovely selection of these beautiful hand-forged pieces. The same company that makes that beautiful high bronze, high polished bronze, does it in pure copper too. So all these beautiful designs are available in that lovely kind of antique copper. And then there's these heavy kind of solid copper pieces, beautiful beads. And then this line was, I picked up in Tucson by an artist, and it's so beautiful. It kind of has a pinky cast to it. They're all hand forged, handmade components. components, clasps and cones, and it's just so beautiful. And then these little clasps with the stones set in them. It's a lovely, lovely line. And they're duplicates of most of these things. I just opened one of them. And it did make me think about how, like, this copper is really different. This is our copper mostly. But, like, there's also bags of these pieces, which are fine, but they're the difference because these are kind of stamped or mass-produced. I can't think of the right word. But they are machine-made, stamped out one after another. It's how they're available in these big, bags. And they're very pretty, but they're not the same quality. And of course, they don't have the organic nature as a lot of these ones that are made by hand. And so that's why, we carried specialty pieces that we focused on. So again, this is just a little bit of the collection. I sorted things into silver and gold, and then sterling, tiara cast, and magnet clasp. There's so many magnet clasps, and we have, really, I like to think, really high quality magnet clasps. So I'm gonna keep sorting those out. Come by the shop so you can check these out. Since a lot of them, there are multiples of a lot of them, but also many of them are only one of a kind. So you want to come by and see them in person. And until then, sparkle brightly like the star that you are. Peace.